now crossing the tracks to Rosenberg, Richmond's sister city, for something that's as authentic in this small Texas town as it is in the Eastern Hemisphere. Vietnamese cuisine, served up at local favorite Country Pho, owned by locals Lee and Chau. Now, I know Vietnamese food may be intimidating to some, and names like Bun Thit Nhơ and Ba Luk Luk don't exactly clear things up. So to help us navigate this culinary world, I'm sitting down with the owner's son, Danny.
So I have sort of like a base knowledge of Vietnamese food. So
Right.
I am at your mercy, man. I want the traditional experience.
Traditional pho is our main thing. It's what we're known for. It's the beef noodle soup. So onions, rice noodles. You want to do the combination beef soup, which has all the meats we have to offer: brisket, meatballs, tripe, and soft tendon.
Yeah, done. I see the word brisket in a Vietnamese soup bowl. I'm good.
Yeah.
See, when you say beef noodle soup, well, it doesn't sound so different. But first, homemade spring rolls.
All right, homemade peanut sauce.
Homemade peanut sauce. I could eat this every day, bro.
Yeah, I could probably live on these things right here. These are good, man.
All right, these are the condiments for the pho. So we got your fresh Thai basil, bean sprouts. You gotta add the hoisin sauce and sriracha sauce.
Okay.
All right,
You show me how to do this here.
I'm gonna show y'all how to make pho.
All right.
All right, the right way.
The real way.
You go for sriracha, just for spice, so nothing fancy. It's kind of like a hamburger, you know? You gotta have all the components to make it what it really is.
Yeah, it's not just the meat, it's the condiments. Got a little bit of that basil in there. Oh, wait, jalapenos.
Jalapenos, yeah, you can add those, you know, they're really hot. They're fresh jalapenos. I'm pretty sure you can handle them though.
There it goes. Oh,
It's good.
that's phenomenal. What I love about it, it's like, that's comfort food right there. It's got these aromatic things happening, like from the basil and the bean sprouts and the hoisin and the sriracha all kind of coming up. What's this right here?
That is the soft tendon.
Okay.
I really like soft tendons. I feel like it's healthy in a way.
It looks like pure fat. If you tell me it's healthy, I'll believe you.
Good.
So what part of Vietnam is your family from?
Saigon, but also known as Ho Chi Minh City. My mom told me like they actually had to get on the boat like during the war, I think.
Oh, wow.
To go from where they were to today is just like crazy because they pretty much started from nothing, like literally. And it blows my mind that like they're doing this pretty much for me and my brothers, you know?
Yeah.
And so
This is it. I mean, the cliche, the American dream though, owning your own restaurant.
entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneur. Phenomenal, if I do say so myself.
It's this mixing of all cultures that makes the Texas flavor so great. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.